that's quite long, really. What it is. Okay. Here we go. Alright, no rats. Got it. Okay, that was pretty clean. That's good. I can't see. Oh, that's about. Oh, wow. Yeah, that needs replacing. Completely guessing what to do. I've never worked on a cassette deck before, or any kind of hi-fi. This is literally my first time, and all it is just going to be about, so it's not going to be that difficult. But the problem is getting into it. I would hope the whole mechanism just kind of comes out, like, you know. But I do see a screw down there, and I think there's a screw down there as well. So I don't really know where to go from here. So I'm just going to use my instincts. And my first instinct is more screws on the bottom. So we're going to get 3 screws off here. Quickly. Okay, how easy. Wow. That's come straight out. All the cables and everything just kind of come out. Wow. Okay. So I guess I can kind of just lift it up and out. If I do this. Yeah. Now it's loose. I'm trying to look at the bottom of the board. Just quickly over here. Lots more caps and everything. See if any caps are bulging. No, surprisingly. I don't see any. I don't get how to get these connectors off. They don't look like they come off. I guess I just won't separate these two halves. Got it. Can I just... Whoa! Oh, that's getting caught on something, but I don't know what. It's pulling out. Mostly. It's getting caught on a door. Oh! I just had to open it. That's good. Okay. So, got ground here. Got this. Not good, that was easy. This. That's easy too. Ooh. That was easy too. Wow. Making some real progress now. This, just to get it out the... Oh, that's not coming off. Shit. Oh, the rest of these, they're gone. So, let's try that. This is not going well. To go down? Is that how it comes out? I'm sure there's an easy way for this, but I don't know. That's caught on there. No, got it. Got it. Okay. Well. Good job, Sony. Actually made this easy for me. Here we go. Just a nice, simple, very easy mechanism. Nothing complicated here. My hands are a bit greasy and everything, but that's fine. Yeah, this needs cleaning. Good cleaning. Okay. See, oh, that's coming off. Yeah, good. Good. That's done. Now, oh wow, there's a lot of grease. Did not see that. This doesn't seem very on tightly, it's kind of clipped in. Just unscrew it. I need to get to it, no matter what. That's a long screw. Another one. Doesn't look like it, but it's not coming off yet. Not that easily. If I just untuck this, and pull down. Still nothing. Can't see any more screws, so I'm just a bit confused. It's kind of in there. Oh, I see. Oh, that was too much of a snap. Yeah, didn't sound great. I wouldn't break that. No. That's surprising. Okay, let's take this out. There we go. Let's take the rest of it. Come on. Yep. Here we go. Let's just try it. Interesting. Yeah, this is huge. This belt is huge. It's not what I wanted to see. Just moves. Oh. Okay. Can't really see a way to get this out of here. Without taking this off, so I guess I'm doing that. Okay. I'm gonna remember where these go. Here we go. Belt access. Yay! The only belts I can source that are specifically for this are from like Germany and Portugal and Spain. I might have a belt for this. That's close. That's very close. No, that's not. No, that's like 5mm off. Yeah, that's way too long. Way too small. That's right. Yeah. That seems to be it. Okay, first problem. I can't see where that belt went. Because it went around here, then there was... Oh! There. I feel like the other belt might have been a better fit, but I think we'll find out. Where does that go in? Like that? Really? Okay, yeah, I got it. I got this. That doesn't look right. Yeah, no! Oh shit, it's lost the whole thing. This should have a bit more, I think. Almost. Oh, it came off. This is too tight. Okay. Now let's find the next size up. Grease fucking everywhere. Fuck's sake. Oh, my hands need washing. Oh, for fuck's sake. I wonder how much time I've spent just getting this shit done. I hate belts. This is the worst fucking technique. Oh, that's not right. Got it. Here we do not go. That just fucking came off again. What the hell's going on? Oh, it's covered in grease. Yeah, I just don't see a way to get this back together. God. Let's pull this out again. That's not working. Let's try again. I don't understand how I'm supposed to do this. How did they do this at the factory? How would you do this on an assembly line? Maybe that's what they did. Okay, I got it. Please stay. No, it's twisting. Maybe not. So, this is day 2. Trying to repair this. And in the last few days I haven't been working on this. I've kind of come to a conclusion, or really just kind of revelation, you know. What I need to do is just get a smaller belt, which means it's time to do all of this again. Just replace the belt, power it up, see what happens. I've also learnt how the eject mechanism works. The problem at the moment is the belt is too loose, right? Even with the new belt, that's still too loose. So let's have a look at that belt. Here it is. Yep, very loose. The grease is not glue yet, but it's not as smooth as I'd kind of want it to be. So I'm gonna plug this back in, these cables. I'm gonna see what happens. Okay, got that. Now I need to plug this in. It could just be a capstan problem, right? Like it's not spinning it fast enough. Alright, let's try it. It certainly sounds bad. Okay, let's get this out again. Get this out. Get this one out. Then pull back. Right? Yeah. Pull back. Come on. I just did this like a few days ago. There's no way I forgot. Oh, pull up, pull back. Here we go. Unplug this. Out the way. Unscrew these. Now, pull that back. Up and back. And there you go. Belt's out. So here's the belt. Let's get a slightly smaller one, but not too small. So I believe that is what we want, because that's kind of where this belt's supposed to be. Now's the tricky part. I found the problem. That's how it's supposed to look, but it was only on one. The belt is supposed to go around here. So it turns out I've been kind of chasing a stupid non-issue. I completely didn't realize that the pinch rolls are gone. They're not there. They don't exist. They're completely gone. Not that the pins there, or there's one that they're both gone. No pins. Someone took them out. They fell out somehow, and yeah, I can buy replacements. I can't buy a pin that goes in them unless I measure it myself and then find one online. I'm really annoyed I didn't see that. I don't understand how I didn't see that. So now I don't know. I'm just gonna screw it back together. That's it. I'll be done.